On a scale of 1 to 10, how fun are you? I would say like 9. Spin it again. I got another white and blue. How interesting. So the white one had a question. Do you speak any other languages? Actually, in French immersion. I'm actually in French immersion, and I kind of speak a little Spanish. So spin it again. One white. Oh, great. Okay, let's do this again. So let's go with this blue one. Are you shy or outgoing? I would say I'm a little shy. Okay, the white one. Do you have a nickname? I actually don't have a nickname. Favorite school at what's your favorite subject at school? My favorite subject is, I would say, math and gym. So we have one more question. When were you born? I was born on April 4th, 2011. No. Okay. So there's no question in that one. And in this one. So spin it again. So I got the middle. And I got one white. So what annoys you? My brothers, the younger ones. Are you a clean or messy person? I'm actually a clean person. Least favorite food. My least favorite food is, I would say, avocados. How old are you? I'm 8. So I'll be answering all these questions. Let's go back. Are you allergic to anything? Actually, I'm not allergic to anything. Least favorite subject at school. My least favorite subject at school is science and social studies. Do you play any sports? I only play basketball, not that often. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a vet or a scientist. What do you do for fun? I play Fortnite. What's your favorite show? My favorite show is YouTube Dan TDM. Comment if you are a fan of Dan TDM. The last white, and there they all go. So the penguin, my friends, are going to go this way. And I'll be showing you guys the last 3 questions. Do you have any hidden talents? Actually, I have a few. One is that I'm really good at building Lego out of random Lego pieces. Number 2 is that I actually have another talent. I only have one. Why? Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a pet. I have a cat named Coco. That's very cute. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Actually, that's a really hard question. There's so many. I would say Dan TDM. Go like to his channel. Okay, you guys. I hope you liked the video and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!